Are you searching for an affordable CAD software that still gives you the powerful tools you need for drafting and modeling? If so, CAD Mate might be exactly what you've been looking for, a cost-effective alternative without sacrificing functionality. So, welcome to Present Trade's tutorial on getting to know CAD Mate and exploring its main interface. Once you open CAD Mate for the first time, you'll immediately notice how familiar everything feels. If you've ever used CAD software, the transition will be quick and comfortable. The Home tab is where you'll spend most of your time. Here, you'll find all the core commands to start your drawings and bring ideas to life. You can create geometry step by step using the drawing tools, then modify everything easily with options to move, rotate, trim, or extend. Adding dimensions, text, and labels is straightforward thanks to the annotation commands that help you keep every detail clear and precise. You also have all the tools to manage layers and organize your project exactly the way you prefer, plus the ability to create and insert blocks whenever you need reusable symbols or standard details. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find all the familiar toggles that help you control drafting settings, snap to objects, or display the grid. It's the kind of small detail that makes your work faster and more accurate without thinking twice. When you move over to the Insert tab, you'll see options to bring in external content or build on existing designs. You can attach references like other DWG files or images, import point cloud data, or define new blocks to use throughout your project. Everything is right where you'd expect it to be. One of the great strengths of CAD Mate is that it doesn't stop at 2D drafting. You'll find a dedicated 3D tab ready for modeling tools whenever you need them, or you can even switch the entire workspace to 3D mode with a single click. As soon as you do, you'll notice the interface transforms to match your needs. The tabs and tools adapt instantly, focusing on everything you need to create and edit 3D geometry. Whether you're working with solids, surfaces, or meshes, the process is smooth and consistent. And when you're ready to return to 2D drafting, switching back is effortless. Everything resets to the familiar 2D environment so you can pick up right where you left off. CAD Mate even includes a dedicated BIM tab to support more advanced workflows for building information modeling. Whether you're drafting plans, modeling complex shapes, or coordinating design data, the software adjusts seamlessly to fit your project. And there you have it, a first look at how CAD Mate combines an intuitive interface with powerful features to help you work confidently and efficiently. Ready to experience CAD Mate for yourself? Contact Present Trade today to get your free trial and see how this software can make your work easier and more cost-effective from day one.